to me here.
They're kiting to the north. Cutting
Give it tail mark.
east towards the gate. East towards the gate. East towards the gate. Yep. East towards the gate.
They're all
They
dismounted
just
there.
engaged.
They
Food
just
check OC.
clap
Food check
track.
OC. Food check OC. You know, walk in, find healers. Stay spread out. Find healers. All
Yeah,
right.
full engaged on me.
They're walking north. They're walking north. They're walking north. Got a healer marked right there. They're in like a kite clap tonight. Okay. They're trying to like kite away. They're gonna go to that water bridge to the north. Try to cut them off. They disengage. Disengage. Push.
Disengage.
Push. 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 North and east, guys. North and east. North and east. They're walking in a corner. I don't really know why. But get in this corner and kill these guys. North and east. North and east. North and east. They're gonna start going to that water bridge to the north and west. Cut them off. Do not let them get across that water bridge. Keep them in the corner. Keep them in the corner. Keep them in the corner. Make sure you're not hitting their tanks. All right. You're hitting their healers and their DPS.
Oh god.
Keep walking with them. Keep walking with them. Keep walking with them. Don't let them cut across that bridge. Big damage right here. Big damage on Crown. Big damage on Crown. Big damage on Crown. Dep, 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 dep. Finish them. Finish them. Walk through them. Walk through them. North and west. 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 Finish these guys. Finish these guys. They're so low, guys. So low. Don't let them kite, guys. Get across this bridge. You guys are too far back. All right.